Hearty welcome to the video series on questions for revision. Topics discussed at this video: vectors and three-dimensional geometry. Revision material in all chapters of class 12 mathematics is available easily to all the students, but the students are not able to gather necessary help since they need detailed explanation of the solution steps, recollection of the concepts required, tips to do problems with slight changes, and tips to reduce errors. The above needs of the students is taken care of at this video tutorial series. Friends, revision means looking back over previously learned information, ensuring that it is clear and fresh in the mind. 10 questions per selected topic is compiled to ensure that the answers to the compiled 10 questions presented in PDF and video format. Take a printout of the questions before you start viewing this video. This material is only a supplementary to the revision strategies planned and executed by your experienced teacher. Question number 1 from vectors. The value of lambda for which the vectors are parallel. Two vectors are parallel if the components are proportional. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Use it now. 3 by 2 equal minus 6 by minus 4 equal to 1 by lambda. Get the value of lambda now. It is 2 by 3. Option A. Question number 2. Magnitude of vector A 10, magnitude of vector B 2, A dot B 12. Then you have to get the value of magnitude of A cross B. Let us first use the given information. A dot B 12. What is the formula for A dot B? AB cos theta is equal to 12. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 12 by 20, which is 3 by 5. Get the value of sin theta. It is 1 minus 9 by 25. Therefore, 4 by 5. Now, formula for A cross B is AB sin theta into vector n. When you take its magnitude on both sides, it will become AB sin theta. Now, substitute the sin theta over there. 10 into 2 into 4 by 5. The answer is 16. This is a problem where we are finding A cross B from A dot B. Magnitude of A cross B from A dot B. Question number 3. If a line makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with the positive direction of the coordinate axis, then the value of sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma. You know that when it is alpha, beta are the angles made, we can get direction cosines from them. Therefore, the line makes angles with the positive direction of the coordinate axis. Therefore, the direction cosines are L cos alpha, M cos beta, N cos gamma. What is the property of this direction cosines? L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. What is cos square alpha? 1 minus sine square. Cos square beta? 1 minus sine square beta. Cos square gamma? 1 minus sine square gamma. Simplify them. You will get sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equal to 2. Question number 4. If the lines are perpendicular, then lambda is equal to. You know the condition for perpendicularity. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Ensure that both the lines are given in standard form or converted into standard form. First line and the second line. First line, I am converting it into standard form by dividing numerator and denominator by 6 for 6x minus 2, 3 for 3y plus 1, 2 for 2z minus 2. Then only it will be converted into standard form. Now, the numbers in the denominators are the direction ratios. I have written them. Perpendicular, therefore A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. I am multiplying them, equating it to 0 and getting the value of lambda as 3. Now in the first one, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, you can multiply throughout by 6 and you can write it as 1 is to 2 is to 3 also. You will get the same answer as you got now. Question number 5. Find the area of the parallelogram whose one of the sides is I minus j plus k and diagonal. Be careful, don't get tempted to directly start the problem that the area of the parallelogram is magnitude of A cross B. There A and B are adjacent sides of the parallelogram. But here side is given and diagonal is given. Let us see the diagram. This is a diagram now. A is given and A plus B is given, not B is given. Well, let us, A is one side of the parallelogram and I take B as the adjacent side and D as the diagonal. What is the formula for D? It is A plus B by using addition law. Therefore, from D and A, I am getting B. Okay, now B is 3I plus J plus 4K. Therefore, the adjacent sides are I minus J minus plus K and 3I plus J plus 4K. Now come back to the question now. Now you are ready now. You can get the area, magnitude of A cross B, 3 cross 3 determinant. You expand it. I got A cross B as minus 5I minus J plus 4K. Find its magnitude. The answer is 42 square units. See the question very carefully. Adjacent sides are not given. One side and diagonal given. Go to question number 6. Vector A and vector B are such that vector A is 3, vector B is 2, A dot B is 6. You have to find magnitude of A plus B and magnitude of A minus B. You know that A dot A is magnitude of A square. Using this, we are going to get both of them. What is magnitude of A plus B whole square now? A plus B dot A plus B. Expand. I have expanded. Dot product is commutative. Therefore, you will get magnitude of A square plus twice magnitude A dot B plus magnitude of B square. Substitute whatever they are given in the question. You will get the answer as 25. Therefore, A plus B is 5. Magnitude of A plus B is 5. Similarly, we can do for A minus B whole square. A minus B dot A minus B. Expand. A dot B is commutative. Therefore, minus 2 times A dot B. Magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square. Substitute the values given in the question. You got 1. Therefore, magnitude of A minus B is equal to 1. Let us go to question number 7. Find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point to the line. This problem is useful for finding foot of the perpendicular also, and they extend this question for image also you can do. Let us take the diagram now. P is a point 0, 2, 3 and the line is given, and let Q be the foot of the perpendicular to the point from the given line. Now I am taking Q as the foot of the perpendicular. Now note down the steps involved in it. Step number 1, get the general point from the given line and call it as Q. I repeat, get a general point from the given line and call it as Q. How to get the general point? Equate it to lambda. Equate x plus 3 by 5 to lambda, y minus 1 by 2 to lambda, z plus 4 by 3 to lambda. You will get the value of x1, x2, x3. You call this as Q. Simple. Now, you get the direction ratios of PQ. You know formula, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Therefore, I got the direction ratios of PQ. For note down the steps. Step number 1, get the general point of the given line. Call it as foot of the perpendicular, then get the direction ratios of the perpendicular. Finish. Now, this is the diagram now. Given line is there and the direction ratios of the given line is the numbers in the denominator. But check out, take these numbers as direction ratios only when the given line is in standard form. Good. Now, the direction ratios of PQ are known to you. What is the connection between PQ and the given line? Perpendicular. Fantastic. Therefore, I have to use the condition A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. I got the value of lambda as 1. Problem is over. After getting the lambda of 1, I know the coordinates of Q. Put lambda is equal to 1 in that. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular is 2, 3, minus 1. Note down there are only 3 steps. Step number 1, take the line, find the general point, call it as Q, find the direction ratios of PQ, multiply it with the direction ratios of the given line, equate it to 0, get the value of lambda or k, whatever may be, foot of the perpendicular, obtain. Let us me show you in the three-dimensional diagram now, foot of the perpendicular 2, 3, minus 1 for the given line. Good. Let us go to question number 8. Usual question. Shortest distance between the following pairs of lines. Remember, this question can be done either by Cartesian method or by vector method, but here I will show you the vector method. But before you start the vector method, check out whether the given both the lines are converted into standard form. Given lines are like this. The points on the line I have taken. Therefore, from the point I am getting A1 and A2. Direction ratios I am writing. From them I am getting B1 and B2. A1 given, A2 known, B1 given, B2 known. A2 minus A1 I am finding, and B1 cross B2 I am finding, and I am finding B1 cross B2, its magnitude also. Keep everything ready. All are ready. A2 minus A1 ready, B1 cross B2 ready, magnitude of B1 cross B2 ready. I have to find B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 or A2 minus A1 dot B1 B2, whatever may be. The answer I am getting it as 116. Now this is the shortest distance formula, B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. The answer is root 116. You can leave it as it is, or the answer is 2 root 29. 4 into 29 anyway. Well, therefore check out this problem can be done by Cartesian method also. That is left to you. Let us go to question number 9, the assertion question. Magnitude of A cross B is 1, magnitude of A dot B is root 3, angle between them is pi by 6. This question can come in 2 marks also. Even 2 are given, find the angle between them. Can be asked as a question also. Now we are going to make use of the definitions. This is A cross B definition. Therefore, magnitude of A cross B is AB sin theta. Similarly, given A cross B is 1, therefore I am making use of it. And A dot B is AB cos theta, and it is given as root 3. Therefore, AB cos theta is root 3. Theta is the angle between them. Divide them. When you divide, you will get tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 3. Therefore, angle between them is pi by 6. Therefore, assertion is true. Therefore, the reason is, it is given that by definition it is true. Therefore, reason is true. Therefore, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Let us go to question number 10. Assertion: the lines are perpendicular. That is the assertion. Let us check whether it is correct. Yes. The product of the corresponding direction ratios are 0. Therefore, the lines are perpendicular. But let us check out the reason. Reason is, it is given that condition for parallel nature. Therefore, this is correct. But this is not used in the assertion. Therefore, reason is not the explanation for the assertion. Therefore, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Thank you, friends. Success is dependent on efforts. All the best.